In 350 BC, the renowned philosopher Aristotle embarked on a journey into the heart of nature's mysteries. His magnum opus, Meteorologica, became a beacon of wisdom, illuminating the enigmatic realm of meteorological sciences. Within its pages lie timeless insights that continue to captivate our imaginations today. Aristotle explored the affections shared by air and water, unraveling the intricate tapestry of the Earth's elements. His treatise, composed in 340 BC, stands as the oldest comprehensive work on meteorology, comprising 4 enlightening volumes. Within these pages, Aristotle laid the groundwork for centuries of scientific inquiry, proposing fundamental theories that shaped our understanding of the cosmos. He delineated the interactions between the elements, water, earth, fire, and air, revealing the intricate dance that governs the natural world. Aristotle's meticulous methodology set a precedent for scientific inquiry, blending deduction with observation to unlock nature's secrets. His legacy reverberated through the ages, inspiring generations of scholars to explore the wonders of the universe. From Arabic compendiums to Latin translations, Meteorologica transcended borders, sparking a timeless quest for knowledge. Aristotle's Meteorologica, a testament to human curiosity and the enduring quest to understand the mysteries of the natural world.